What are you doing?
Playing Minecraft.
Is that the base you made? Is that your world or
A copper
Talaga to si
board.
Dominic pa paano
did you made that? No.
Yes, I made it.
You sit down here. I want to see. I want to watch. I want to watch it. You build the house. I want to see how you.
Bro, I just broke into this car.
Bye.
Unready pizza, $5.
Why is this turtle?
In the wild,
And
there are
according
fish
to
living in
the
places
video.
that would ever
Can you
look
and
like this
Zach play
octopus.
together online
Wait, oh.
someday?
Emotional damage. The turtle died.
Oh.
Kaya alam mo, dapat okay na yun hindi sa chair. Kasi tinan mo kung gano'n sila kakalat.
Emotional damage.
Kung gano'n sila kakalat mag...
Two players are in my server. Two players are in my server. Let's
Where?
join them.
Join who?
May dalawang players.
No, English. I want English. You're getting there. Come on.
Getting there.
Two players joined me.
Zach. How about you join Lucas World? Come on. How do you join? Can you invite?
No. That's not how it works.
How does it work? You show me. That's why I'm here watching you. Eh.
Just going crazy.
Ano nga, pinaggigigilan mo lang si Lucas.
Oh,
Kanina pa. Kanina pa
What?
Si properly.
This one. I'm just building my own
Do you play?
business.
Do you play Mobile Legends there?
house?
Si Lolo.
Yes, I want to build.
Wow.
Okay, I'm gonna show you how to build a house. I already know. Oh, can I watch?
Whoa, is that a chicken?
How? Ducks.
Is the duck holding a bow and a sword?
What is videoing? Yes, I know it.
Can you show us your
Because you're keeping
vlog in your
videoing
YouTube
it.
channel?
Look.
What
Oh,
is your
you're
vlog?
making a stick?
What is that?
Si Zach din po meron ng YouTube channel eh.
Sa?
Opo.
You have a YouTube channel, sa?
Yep.
Let me see.
Yeah, I subscribe to your channel.
Where is your YouTube?
Yeah, thanks.
Lucas, just to show you, I'm a supporter. Ano ang pangalan mo dito, Lucas? I am Lucas?
Hindi, I am Lucas.
No,
Lucas.
Lucas Google
Space Googleplex.
Yun.
Googleplex 67.
Flex.
Yan.
Hindi. 67. Meron 67. Subscribe kayo.
Hindi, meron eh.
Ah? Hindi. Googleplex. Hindi. Double O. Google. Parang Google.
Google.
Can I see your
No.
bag?
Yan.
You don't have bag yan.
Googleplex.
Hindi
Yan.
mo pala ako na. I'm sorry, boy. I forgot to subscribe. Why you only have 2 videos? I thought Tita showed me.
Sana shorts yan.
What challenge now? The toilet
Kasi I'm a supporter. Ano ko?
flooding the school.
Earlier, you only have 4 subscriber. I press subscribe. Now you have 5, ah. You have to remember that. I'm a subscriber, ah.
Mag-subscribe din ako.
And Lola P is also going to subscribe. You have a lot of followers.
Sa yung pinapakainin si... Bigyan ng pagkain si Samuel, dalawang pagkain sa kanya.
Ten. You need some help, please?
What are you watching?
50. By writing in my own business. Writing.
Oh! Is that made of paper? That's why it's there. Ah, that's why you keep throwing things. Don't watch that.
So I'm gonna
Ah, that's why you...
I'm gonna put crystals.
What's that? Ooh, that's a cool house.
Okay. Let's add this room.
Drawing time.
Nice, huh?
Okay.
Dirty.
You don't need to
But
sleep.
the girl should have asked nicely instead of throwing the toy, no? What are those? Wow, nice short, nice
Do you
short.
want some house for sleeping?
Where are you taking us?
Where?
Brother is still there.
Whose
We
brother?
need help to save my son.
Huh? He has a son? The owner? What?
He raised and
He raised
educated me.
and
Dad,
educated?
do you know him?
How about you? Do you know the guy?
I don't know.
Why you keep changing? We have to finish one short.
Cotton candy.
Candy floss.
Candy floss. Eggplant. Ay, you keep swiping eh. How do we deactivate the swiping? Yan.
Oh. Sa'yo. Isa. Water.
You stop swiping eh. How do you brush your teeth? Show us. Show us. Wow. Show me how. Do you always brush your teeth or no?
Yeah.
Like once a year?
Yeah.
Nice. Yes, go. You're like me, ah. I brush my teeth half time a year. Can I do this? No. Do you know this?
Ow! Ow!
May ow.
Wait lang, Heligo.
Sir. If you swipe again, ah, don't use.
Asan yung Cocomelon na ano?
How did you
Put it in the finger.
Ano yung Cocomelon na base?
Answer.
Yung Cocomelon na base.
Oh, you can be after.
Lagay ng mga brush.
May dala tayo?
Oh, you get some
Ay,
egg.
oo, may nakita
Get some
ako.
egg.
Doon ako uminom eh.
But you want some chicken jockey?
How much
No, because
Di talaga nalagyan pa
so I want to build a door. So
Nagdagan kanina yun eh.
Yung nagdabas na to?
oh,
Ay, wala na
I
yun.
found
Okay,
the door.
okay na. Tinanggal na ni Lucas.
Ano yun?
Yung paper. Goods na yan.
Okay, finally found a door.
Challenge.
I'm going to be filling up this tiger.
Whoa! Wait. You can't watch it?
Naramdaman kong gigil na gigil ka kay Lucas.
ng gadget, ang tagal eh, no?
Ang gray?
Ito ang tinawa, gadget. Yung dark to light.
And then where's the button?
My dear, that's not...
Hey, where is the button, Aries?
Wait. You have something on your bottle. Don't go din.
May iba
Okay.
pa colors.
Where is the button? Buttons.
Oo, kunin mo.
Oh, this. I found a beacon.
Baka maapakan mo yung kulay sa ilalim.
You can find me if you want beacon. How can you find a beacon?
Mga batang.
Is that a knife? Or a button? I don't know. You have to waste this. Do you have a treasure? Finally found one button. So I'm gonna replace this one because it's a bit.
Ani, gusto mo magsigang ng kamyas?
Naku. Nagbigay nga si Daddy William ng pinamyasang manok. Nasa rep pa.
Daming kamyas eh.
Sa galing. Patuyuin.
So,
How about you go jacket?
Patuyuin. Tapos, bigyan mo kami pagka natuyo. Pag dito, pang sinaing. Pati, kaso huwag mo naman pala
This one is a wooden house. Wooden house? How about when you sleep?
How about you both go there sa sofa? Doon kayo maglaro.
Let's go to the sofa.
Oo, both of you guys.
Listen, I go.
Uy!
Can I sing? Secondary tower.
Ba't
We
yung
need
pencilan mo?
to
Kasi para hindi
sacrifice.
ka masyado magkakamali.
Oh, it's turning
Hindi dapat
nighttime.
gel pen ang gagamitin. Diba, no?
When I sing. Yes.
O may mga specific na ano pa, ginagamit na pen. Para dyan.
I made my own house. How can it be open?
Actually, kanya-kanyang style naman pag sa art. The more
Ano
unique
Who's
ka,
ano to?
the more unique ang medium, mas
Yours?
patok
No.
pa nga yun. Meron akong nakita, nag-ano siya, pipaint siya, ang gamit niya yung usok ng kandila. Ha? Ang galing of painting.
What are you watching?
Ay, sa bagay.
No, I'm
yung
playing
ano,
Minecraft.
Minecraft?
putik.
You sit
Iba-ibang
properly.
ano.
Nibuild ko yung...
Sit properly!
Nang build
Move your
ako...
butt!
Nang, ano ba yan?
Nalala yun, di ba?
Nang build ako ng house,
Basta
oh.
mas
Oh, very
kakaiba
good.
mas ano pa.
Pero nasa na... You know what? I have Minecraft.
Yeah, you have?
Yeah. Wait.
Dito yung kulay
What's
niyo
that?
parang nag-fade.
Wait a minute, I forgot to cover it.
Oo. Yes. Ito to, pangit to. 180 GSM lang to, yung sa Shopee
Pumpkin.
300. Ito, try ko bumili ng sa sahod.
Mas mura sa ano,
Sa Shopee, no?
Shopee or TikTok. TikTok ako lagi nag-order.
Stop!
Di pa ako never, di pa ako nakakapag-try.
Okay,
Mas
I
mura
don't
sa
know that.
TikTok.
But
Mas
where's
mura.
the bed?
Mas mabilis dumating. Tsaka kung ano yung
Alam mo ba,
actual,
alam mo
yun
ba
talaga.
tayo ako mag-open ng TikTok?
Found it.
Kasi mag-swipe ka na mag-swipe ng reels.
Ah. Hindi, ikaw
Hindi
actually
katulad
pala.
doon sa Shopee na ano, parang sobrang, parang bago ka magano, parang feeling ko sayang yung oras.
Hindi,
Parang ganun.
isa-search mo lang kung ano yung hanap mo. Ako ganun yung ginagawa ko.
You're sleeping, Top?
Kaya hindi
Ay,
ako,
gagawin mo,
Kaya
lalagyan
hindi
mo na
ako
ng
nag-
maraming detail.
oo, kaya hindi ako nagtatagal pag yung sa TikTok.
Ano yung ginawa ni Cyril?
Galing nga nito siya eh.
Too scary and dark.
Ano to sa yung katawan niya?
You
Yung tiyan
don't
niya?
need?
Tiyan niya yun nandito.
Ano lang po, background lang po yung blue na design. Kasi pag siya lang
Si Elio.
Very
Ellie.
plain na.
You copy?
You wanna be
You like?
as good as Ate Sai?
Kasi isang nilagyan.
You, when you practice, when you start practicing,
Color editing. Lagyan mo.
oh, practice lang yan.
Oo, pagkatira mo, ilang rig ng bond paper bang ginamit mo sa akin?
Ang dami. Yung alam, di ba, ang dati sa akin, puro pad paper, di ba, pinapagalitan na nga ako ni Mati. Dito ka pa ng tita.
Eh kasi si ate nagliligpit na nagliligpit.
No, tsaka siya din bilhin ng yung ano, pad paper. Nakaisang pad paper ako.
Ganyan ka magawak ng pencil? Kahit pag nagsusulat?
Tatlo?
You're going to cover everything?
Bakit?
Ako dalawa.
Nasanay ka na?
Ito.
Meow. Meow. Staring. Scary. Kill
May weight
something.
ba?
Do you want to
May
kill
weight lang
something?
really.
Or you have to just sleep.
Inuulit-ulit ko lang yung practice ng mata, no? Ilong, bibig,
Pinaka-nahirapan ako is kamay.
yung kamay.
Sabi nila ilong daw mahirap. Hindi ba?
Depende. Kung paano yung-
Whoa! Close that.
Yung mga nagpo-portrait, ano,
Ayan, pag nagpo-portrait, mahirap talaga.
mahirap nga daw.
Let me help you.
Realistic na portrait.
Ay, hindi kasi ng akin.
Eh, hindi daw yung mag-finish ng ano, yung detail. Yan daw ang pinaka-final. Saan ko nilagay yung ano neto, yung nalagyan? Ayun.
Ay, ito.
May yellow.
Meron.
You want me to help you? Bro, your hair is too cutty.
Ellie, do you want to put some detail on your drawing?
Where?
Ano doon? Tinan mo kung dry na. Yung okay, dry na eh.
Asan?
Doon sa table, nilagay ko doon sa table. Yung drawing mo.
Mama, I don't see.
Wala pa din?
It is done. See, the white is too big.
Ah, yung antay mo na mag-draw.
Sa office ni si Jen.
Buti mo siya na
Hindi naman yung nag-traffic kasi makasingit-singit.
wala na to eh. Siguro ito yung medyo galit doon. Ay, watercolor pen eh.
Oh, watercolor pen niya.
So, lalagyan mo siya ng water? Hindi.
Hindi ko rin sure.
Try natin.
So finally,
Ay,
so
bakit ko tinawag na watercolor?
change your character. I don't like that character for you. Change your boy. I don't like your character. Oops, what's that? App of open chat. Please go there to chat. Bro, I already know it. So I built a house, so I'm going to sleep. Hey, you put the blocks in your bed. Oops, it looks
Sorry
like
niya
you put-
exam. Basta.
How did I lose my heart? I don't know. I think
Sa bahay niya.
by Lucas Bakitio. Yeah. But I don't know. So let's go back to adventure or creative. But you don't have life. I don't know what kind of creative is that. So I'm placing these chests. The chests? Yes, some chests. But I don't know where's chest. There. Okay, and you don't like that? And the chest. And the chests are more cooler. You put a lot? Okay. Always what you do. Okay, where is food? Chicken. Oh. There, chicken. Chicken. That's a food. You don't like to eat?
Babaeng tao.
I like to eat.
Nagano na yung
Hindi, pero yung
There's a
daddy
button.
niya ni Sam, dun sa ate ko, ang laki talaga ng aso. Ganun talaga.
yung boses
Tsaka,
niya.
mahirap yung lalaki na ganyan.
Matapang.
Matapang sobra. Guard dog ko yung guard dog.
Ano yun, may canine na ano
Ah.
yun eh.
Mix that
Pang
there.
police dog ang Belgian Malinois kasi matataas ang
I
energy.
already knew it. This one, the other food.
Kaya lagi may buso.
Nakakalagkad nga niyan si
The
Daddy.
same.
Oo nga daw, sabi niya.
Hindi na kaya ni Lolo.
You don't like because you're going to eat this.
Active duty.
Okay,
Kasi
let's
wala na ba si Mami nun?
store all
Wala
my
dito.
items
Hindi
here.
naman, nakita niya nga
Nabutan pa
niya.
niya.
Oo, sabi niya yung laki na daw ni Sam.
Ano ka mabata ba?
I see it. I can't.
Kumakain naman si ate talaga. Nasa-stress nga siya dun sa employer niya.
Ngayon.
Oo. Hindi, nag-resign na siya eh.
Wala, hindi siya nag-resign na lang.
Ah, bakit siya nilagnan?
Ano lang, nung ano yun eh, doon pa kami nun eh, punta kami sa museum.
Oo.
Ngayon siya sabi niya, ano daw, kinausap daw siya.
Lukas, albaro ah.
Di daw siya ano sa training.
Ang sabi.
You don't wanna play with me.
Play with it. It's
Mahirap.
when Lucas comes out and he wants to use it, give it a.
Okay, how can I open?
You just say rebellion. Say it.
Rebellion.
It's not working.
May walit ba na ganito?
I want playmates. Why do you don't want
you
to
didn't
play
close the
with
door,
me?
Lucas. Lucas, close the door.
Okay, I'm going.
The aircon is open. You have to close the door. Come here. Come outside, Lucas.
Hindi, ibig sabihin ko na siyang work.
Yay! Come here, bro. Lucas. Sit down. Ellie and I will watch with you. Can you open?
Ayaw niya naman daw patus.
Or Lucas.
No,
This
this is.
This one's yours, oh. Open your mouth.
Hey Siri.
Hey, Huawei.
Magkano na yung offer sa kanya, tapos babara din siya. tapos
Can you open using your...
No.
Can
Oh,
you...
it's a Chinese.
Okay na kung
Oh,
magpapagabi
no.
Can Ellie
I
borrow?
want.
Oh, you want to drop it? It will get broken. There you
By placing
Wait, let's
crystals.
ask Lucas first, so he will know. Lucas, we have something to say. Can we borrow?
This one is my window.
I'll play with you. Ellie wants to play with.
But I want to play with Korean game.
You're not playing.
I want to play.
Okay, we will.
Bro, you don't want to play. Just wait. Okay, join me in my.
Hey, when you two
Minecraft mod.
play, can you move a little further so Lucas can sit properly?
Hey, what's
Go.
that? Can you give me it?
You decide. Are you gonna play this or let me borrow your pad?
Let me play that.
Only one.
You play that.
Okay. You go. I watch.
Okay.
Just one, ah. You only have two hands, the left and the right.
Just look everywhere. Bro, stop. I already.
What happens when you tap my
I can
left hand?
see,
Do you know what will
the
happen? Look.
crystal.
You try. Tap my left hand.
What? I cannot see the door.
That's the right hand, but it will still wave. Oh.
But I wanna eat now. Do that!
Whoa, you see the wave?
Yes, I saw
You
it.
try. You try muna. Mag-wave ka muna. Mag-wave ka. Yan. Straight hands. Look at Tito Ron. You slap my left hand. Baro muna. Sabi mo isa lang. Your pad or this one? Which one?
You want
You dropped
me
it.
to? You want to see yourself?
You slap my left hand.
You want to see yourself?
You do it. You do it. I wanna see.
Hey, you.
I wanna see. Ay! Do not drop, ha?
Hindi, may
Masisira
Hey,
yung,
you see
masisira yung
my,
Redmi mo.
you see my base?
Did you join?
Join
I want to see the wave. Like this.
Hey. Hey, join my
You should,
room.
you ask Titani. Titani sa dancer.
Wait, I'm just playing Minecraft. Here.
Ano ba ka nakausap kita?
Oh. Hey. How should I get
I
it?
thought you will join.
Yes, I'm joining.
Oh, I like it.
Just wait.
I'll play my my...
Just wait.
Oh! First time. Do not drop it, ha? Ay, no, it's not. It's not.
It was you pushed it.
When I see you with someone, it gets sad.
Ay, artwork. Dalawang
Stop hitting people.
Okay.
Grab the door, Gab. Grab the door.
Hey, you found my house? Yeah! Oh my
Gab, close the door. Huh?
Hey, let me in! Oh, sorry!
Wala kang
Sorry!
Minecraft dito.
Sorry!
Ay, pwede. Iniyakan na yung phone mo.
Wait a minute.
Pwede mo na Minecraft.
I forgot.
Hindi nga pwede.
You forgot to bring
You watch with them.
Hey!
Take turns nga. I talk to Lucas. Bro, di ba you told me that you will take turns with Ellie? Lucas.
Oh, thank you, bro. Stop! Let me hit!
You're not talking.
Ron, pakainin mo.
Ellie, you want?
Para
Hey, stop!
Okay. Oh.
may exam si Dada.
Wow.
Parang 8 Dada.
I like your base, bro. Thanks. Will you have a bed?
8. Yung may, may bread.
Oh, you want some bed?
Yes.
Sure, bro.
Hindi.
Okay.
Yung ano yan, nagtatago siya.
Gusto yung nandito na kanina?
Didn't took one of my items off. Hey, stop!
Yung nandito, nasa hindi data.
Ay, what?
Lucas, you ask Tita Ani.
Yes.
She knows how to dance. Come on. Like this, oh. Lucas, look at me. Go.
Lucas!
Look,
Lucas! 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 Look, oh! Look!
Ayun.
Ano? Lucas, mana?
Mali ka. Ang alam niya kasi yung bawi-bawi ni Tati Jan.
Bawi. Wala.
Hey, you, I found some. No! Oh, no! No! My base! No! You destroyed my base! No! I hate you! I'm quitting Minecraft!
I'm so sorry.
I'm quitting now! I'm gonna quit!
You can say, oh, guys.
Mm.
Wait. Why? What happened?
Na-explode niya base ko!
You play. That's ano. Oh, it's okay. You just do it again with Ellie. With Ellie.
Mga daddy ko, pag gaganita ko yan eh. Bibigyan kasi kayo ng mga pande.
Hindi.
Sige, iiyak.
Laro kayo
Ano yun?
dyan.
Gusto nyo magbubugbog kayo ah.
Happy birthday.
Sabihin nyo, bigyan kayo ng
You want spaghetti?
kalaro.
You want spaghetti?
Physical.
You want
Mga
spaghetti?
silang baby.
Kaya na-play kayo ni Ellie. Can you play with Ellie? No. Ayun, doon siya nandun.
Mahirap ka kasi
I'm gonna quit it! freaking new world.
Ron,
Ha?
ako naglagay ako
I'm
ng
gonna
flowers
create
sa
a
desert.
new world.
Desert wandering sa sand. Bukas pa.
Lucas.
What you get?
Ay,
I hate you, Lucas. Give me that.
Don't say mean words,
Hey,
guys.
Ellie.
Sabay mo bait kayo.
No, you're treating you're treating me like
Wait,
badly
wait.
and
Can the adult
destroyed my
cannot-
base.
Can the adult talk?
You're treating me badly. You're not treating me
You're treating my base badly and you exploded my base.
Sige na.
is not supposed
to
be protected.
The house is Kuya Zach.
What? It's mine. What destroyed my base? No, it's not your house. That's my house. I built that and
Kaninong world ba yun? World.
wait. I'll build the house for you
You- how about
No,
you
you
play
don't
with me?
know how to build it. I will. I'm going
Ay,
to show
don't.
you.
No grabbing. Mamisa.
Yeah.
Let go masisira. Lucas.
Lucas!
Lucas.
Hey,
Ayan.
Hey, join me.
lagot ka kay Lola Bob.
I think I'm going to say Kuizak did it because he didn't.
Ay, you're gonna lie just because you didn't get what you want? That's
Hey,
very
do you
wrong.
wanna play with me? Yeah. I want to play. No.
Don't just grab and you get your you have your own pad. Come here.
Wow, dahil kasi nititreat ni.
Ayaw na din.
Wait,
Ellie.
Eh, ang gaganda naman ng mga ginawa ninyo.
I join you. Wait.
Ah, ilang po kayo dito?
Where's your world?
Sorry, Zach.
I will join.
Lagyan
Lucas.
ng ano,
Lucas.
lagyan ng pirma.
Lucas.
Are you
Masisira
there?
naman yan. Lucas. Ay, Mami Isa.
Lucas!
Ano ba? Ba't ba na-angry ka?
Oy.
I'm really getting scared of you. Why are you shouting like that?
Bro.
Ellie, bigay mo naman sa kanya.
Well, Daddy, give it to me.
Where are you, bro? Where are you?
No.
Ay, may picture tayo.
Where are you,
Ellie,
bro?
get your
I can't
dali,
find
take a
you.
photo.
If-
Mama, Daddy. Oh, thank you,
Huh?
Mommy.
Ah.
Wow.
Lagyan mo ng ano.
Lucas, you should be playing with Zaka, no?
I'm on top of you.
Oh, you guys are flying? How'd you do that?
Lagyan natin din.
Oh, come on. No, Bro, you see me upwards?
Birthday ni Isa.
Kalimutan mo.
Oh, how'd you do that? How did you do that?
Hey, can you don't do that? Please, I'm just. I just kicked
What
your
is
head.
the goal?
I just used my head to just kick your head.
26.
Hey, bro, this is Superman.
What's the goal of the game ba?
Hey, do you know Superman? Hey, there's Superman flying.
Ellie.
Yo, there's Superman flying.
Oh yeah, I'll get one. You have to
Oh, I found another way to.
eat that one first. Okay.
Where are you?
Sigaw
Yo,
mo.
where are you?
Kain ka.
Kaya nga
Lucas, you wanna eat?
Oo, kasi mamaya
i-prepare ko muna.
Ano lang po pencil mo.
Hindi ko na-prepare.
Ang dami ng pagkain pa.
Why are you wearing jackals?
Nakatulog ka ba pa?
No way, I just died.
Ayaw, malimit yan.
Hindi, tinatanong ko lang. Para feeling mo nasa ano ka pa, nasa
You can say
digmaan.
Yo, you broke fell from the. Come on, can you join me?
Bata
But
ka,
why
oh.
did you just turn it to survival? Because
Lucas, you want spaghetti?
I don't
With
need.
spaghetti?
You treated my house badly.
I'm so sorry. Can you please join me
No.
again?
Please join.
Can you please join me again? Join.
Okay, sis, or. Gab.
Okay.
Pink kanina.
Sige. Sige, spaghetti.
Ay, mami, nagpapakuha pa lang kayo. Mamaya na, wait.
Mamaya, nagpapatingin pa kami ng dark word. Tama ba yung mga
Bakit?
yung Lisa? Wait lang.
Dad, Mom, did you bring the iPad or no? I know you bring the iPad.
Walang laman yun. BSF laman nun.
I saw my house. No, it's a bit. It's a wrinkled.
Sa wala man tayong iPad.
Para pagka nakita.
No. Or you, huh?
Ito yung iPad o yung hawak ng
In my
Lucas.
own
oh.
server. Okay.
Ha?
I'm so confused.
Hindi, pang Apple yun.
I'm so confused when it's inside. It looks like an iPad.
You correct the bad ano nga daw, di ba?
Wrong.
Da?
Ha?
Da?
You stop.
Ano ba yung napad ko kanina? Sinabi ni Johnny Chang.
I have news. Lauren is frustrated.
Why? He keeps
Because
losing.
about the game, it's busting.
Okay.
Because about the game, the team,
Ato, may atong. Ayun.
his teamwork doesn't help.
Oh, I just joined a mod.
Actually,
I just joined a game mode. A mode.
Wala na sa work
Daddy
na
spent
lalo.
years in the office, bro. Why? You miss your dad?
Water.
Ayun. Under.
Bad guy, please.
Kakain ka na na. Bro,
What?
you eat. Did you call me what? Kiss me.
Jack, ano game yan? Jack, can I?
Yes,
can I
call
tell
me
you
what?
It's a game mode.
Eat ka na daw, sabi ni Ate Zay.
Oh, Jack, don't
Ano
play that,
gusto
Jack.
mo? Spaghetti?
It's the worst game
What
I
do you
ever
wanna
seen.
eat, bro?
You want spaghetti or pizza pie? What's your favorite food?
Spaghetti.
Spaghetti, buti na lang. Kasi wala namang pizza eh. Ellie, alika na dito.
Kay Lucas dito ka. Pumula ka muna. Alin na kay Lucas.
Lucas!
Alin na kay Lucas.
Halika na. No. We're gonna go home. You sit down.
You want help, Jack?
Dapat yung mami.
O, kain na muna kayo.
Lower down the volume. How do you lower down the volume? Like this? Can you lower down the volume?
You
Yeah.
ask if you can join.
Can I join? Kuya, can I join? You can join, but
You know what,
if you
Lucas? When you cry and you sound frustrated, everyone here will get frustrated of the sound of your cry. Hey, you just talk.
okay,
You can just
wait,
talk
wait,
nicely.
wait. Okay.
You just ask them, can I join nicely? And
Can I
then
join? Stop this.
Oh,
Or
yeah.
can you wait for me,
You
bro?
already joined.
Wait for me, bro. I'm just. Hey, bro, wait for me.
Ayos tuloy. Ayun. Wait,
Dito
just,
ano? He
wait.
will never.
just
Wait for
not
me.
because you ask that he is not waiting. Look, your pad is still loading. He is just roaming around, which is
Can you
fine.
please sit down? We'll take a photo.
Ano ko?
Huh?
Nothing.
Can you please excuse us?
Hey.
Excuse us. They need to sit down. Sit down here.
How can I see your
Sit
art,
down.
Ma?
Ellie,
Sit down
Ana,
here now. Mamaya.
baby,
Ay, better naman.
Oh, you hold. Picture tayo.
last na, then we'll get another one.
Zach, mamaya na yan.
Hey, this is for my apple.
That's your... Wait
Alika,
lang.
para
Picture muna tayo.
sulong, no?
Dito kayo. Sit down. Sit down. Zach. Ay, Ed. Lucas. Lucas, mamaya na. Hawakan mo muna yung... Asan na yung ano mo? Oh, hold. Relax. Upo na dyan. Dali. Where's your sit down? Ellie, sit down na dito, Ellie. Sama ako. Picturean mo nga kami. Hindi ka isa picture.
Sama ka.
Zay, dito ka.
Ana.
Igano ko lang tabi mo kasi yung ano mo yun. Sabihan mo nga si Lucas. Lucas!
Wait.
A picture lang.
Picture mo.
This is just quick. I'll close the iPad. Just
Ito na,
quick.
may lang. You
Just
hold
take
it.
a picture.
You hold the whole. Ayan na. Tatabi ako sa'yo. Tatabi.
Kamay ko lang
Tatabi tayong dalawa.
Ako dyan kamay ko lang.
I want in a piece of it.
Eh.
Masyadong grumpy.
Come on, it's
Hindi natin
okay.
may...
Wait, mine.
You show your painting.
Like this, oh.
Yan.
Like this, oh. Smile.
Do not cover your face.
Dahil urong mabawati.
Happy gas. Happy baby gas.
Again, ready? Oh, look at the camera. Here.
You look, you open your eyes.
Look. Here. 1,
Lucas! Hold on.
1, 2, 3. Good.
Wow.
Can I ask you a question? Who gave you that paper?
Let's let it dry. Kasi ano to, abstract ba to, Kuya Zach?
Hey,
Abstract.
that's my pad. Hey, wait, I don't want you to.
Lucas.
I want them to wait for me.
You have your own pad.
Excuse me.
That is the name.
I cannot.
You read it.
Paano ka lang
What's
mag-
it?
That's what you do. That's what you do.
Hey.
It's smash forever.
No.
Bakit hinay mo si Tak?
Anong ginawa? Anong ginawa?
Hindi yan masakit. What did you do? Hindi yan masakit. Paano lang ko?
Hindi, kasi nilaro ni Lucas, kinuha ko. Sabi ko may pad naman siya, kaya binigay ko kayo. Kinabro niya si Zach.
There is your iPad, oh.
He didn't wait for me. He didn't wait for me. You go.
Lucas,
Go. My room.
I
Ka spaghetti ha? Yes.
I can give
Ano ba yan?
what you
Ouch. Stop that.
Lucas, sit
Stop that
down.
thing.
Lucas, sit down.
Stop.
Why you trying to control the people around you? Why?
Baka na sa kwarto.
Hindi kakain siya.
No, because where's that? I hate where's that. I don't want your favorite.
Zach didn't do anything to you. You are trying to control what... Can you listen?
I'm making it harder as he made.
He doesn't want this. Look at me. Look at me. That's his pad.
But you will never wait for me. He didn't. Zach, do you want help?
I understand
Yes,
you
I
are
don't-
in the same
I want help.
world.
You need help?
You cannot
Okay.
stand-
I ever played that one time. Actually, you know where did I
You
stop?
can't do that.
Zach?
You will really end up being frustrated.
Here's where I
if you're
stop.
trying to control.
We're gonna
Look at me. Ay, pagka ganyan.
Stop! No, that's my iPad. Stop playing Minecraft. You hate Minecraft?
That's it.
I like Minecraft. That's it. No.
Oo, ano yan? Tijim.
Inside the room.
No.
One.
No, because you're mad.
Alam nyo, quiet. Isa lang solusyon dyan, huwag nyo paglaruin ng gadget.
Gabi, bitawan niyo.
Ginagawa ng gadget sa mga bata.
Inside the room. Inside the room.
Ako nga pag-uwi.
Inside the room. Shh.
I'm not going inside the
Concentrate
room.
kayo.
Inside the room. Inside the room.
No.
Inside the room.
You,
I need to talk to you.
Wala.
Or we're gonna go home. You go inside the room. Inside the room.
Just
Right.
Nahulog yung short.
Inside the room.
Hey!
kuya,
Hey!
yan yan, isa.
One.
Where? How can I enter? Zach? How can I enter? You enter. When you already entered, that means you entered. Okay.
Sinubunan niya. Uy,
Zach, don't copy Lucas, okay? You don't.
I just used my iPad to spunk him. I just used
Wait,
my
watch
iPad.
this. Watch this.
But his,
You want to see something cool?
but Lucas is too weak. That little Lucas too weak.
Kasi palipat mo na nga tong iPad niya rin sa kabila, mamaya mo na paglaruin.
Sino?
So,
May ay pa, hindi naman.
Kasi alam nyo, hindi naman kasi dapat binibigyan pa ng gadget yung mga ganyan tita. Alam nyo naman yung nakikita nyo na sa
Bakit ano nangyari?
Diba? Tapos pagagalitin nyo yung bata, hindi
Wait,
naman kasalanan ng mga bata.
Ano yung nangyari? Ano nangyari?
ano gawa mo na yung isa eh.
Bakit?
Ayaw ko kung yung... Gusto yata yung nilalaro nito.
My food.
Hey, where is my seat?
Ellie took the seat. Look, watch. You know where did I stop, Zach? I stopped from the danger room.
Ma! Ma! Kaya mo si Isa. Para hindi na kayo
Jack.
kumain ka na ba? Kumain ka na.
Jack. Kumain daw.
That's me.
Ito ako dito. Okay, it's okay. Just pretend yourself it's ouchie. You don't need to, hindi masakit. It's okay.
Ano yun?
Okay lang yun. Ah,
Bakit ano nangyari?
pero it's bad also to take revenge. Tilag ka lang practice mo. Kasi di naman sabi ng third time is organism. Unlike you.
Uy! Nakakap mo niyan. Ako?
Ano doon?
Oo, sa rep.
Oy, what's this? Kanina to?
Hello, ha?
5 over
Daka ni.
5.
Jack, kumain na yan.
Alright,
Kumain ka
take
muna.
care.
Jack, kumain na muna kayo.
Eat mo na, close mo muna yung tab mo, ha?
Or can you wait for Jack to finish? Wala sa Jack.
Hey.
Dapat malugot na yan. Kasi... Papanis mo.
Alin?
Can I see yours or no?
Your iPad, you have your own iPad. What?
Can you you can draw me or no? Using manga. Maybe.
Okay, you can...
Even a real people or no?
It's alright.
Try me. If you don't try me, then execute her. Joke. Wait. Ow. Wait. I promise.
Gab, asan yung food mo? Tapos na ba?
Tapos na ako.
Saan ko nilagay yung plate mo? Gab,
I put in the table.
what time mo?
Table, like,
This table? Or kitchen?
table.
Asan yun?
Thanks for your help.
Maybe someone put in the bottle.
Ah.
Oopsie. I fell. That's okay.
Zach, actually you died. Wait, you want to see? Actually, that's where no, that's not, oh, wait, there's a secret room. When you go in a secret room, you're fast.
Bakit may iPad naman si Lucas ah? Ano problema mo?
Nag-aagawan. Ay,
Sa laro.
nag-paintindihan sa laro.
Isa?
Luka.
Actually, you almost die.
Ay!
May coke sa ref, ha?
Na mamaya, Ben.
Mamaya
Ano
pa?
na lang? Yung ano na lang ako, yung cake na lang ako.
Me too. It's a vanilla or no?
Ay, naku. Anong sabi mo?
Vanilla yan?
Ang daw man.
Cake vanilla yan or no?
Sabi niya kanina pa yung sabi.
Ha?
Can I say something to you?
Ang cake?
Uh-oh! Stinky!
Ano sa ba?
Ali, how about you, Ali? Ali, okay na kinain mo?
Gusto ko ng cake.
Zach.
Okay.
It might be more
Hindi, makik
dangerous.
naman bawasan natin.
Ali, you want more? Spaghetti.
I want some cake.
Spaghetti.
Cake.
Spaghetti.
Pero okay na yung kinain mo. Wala tayong food sa bahay, ha?
Itong pizza naman.
Ano mo ako water?
Masakit.
Zach.
Halika. Sabi na. Yung edad mo ay 7 ka. Ay,
Wait.
si Ellie,
Find the blocks. Ayun blocks, Ellie.
Si Kuya Soren. Ilang taon
Ay!
ka nang nagsagamit? Ikaw, DJ.
Oh no.
Matapos
Oh
si
no.
Daddy.
Ayaw
Take
ko
a
na.
pad and the phone is not a good.
Can you wait for me?
We play but we're waiting for you.
If you keep on doing that, you will be the one who will have a hard time.
Come here.
Zach,
If he doesn't want, then you should just
Zo. Ay, Zach.
You will have a hard time controlling the people around you.
here.
Zach, you want to see something cool?
You can.
Zach,
Can I borrow
Later
your
na.
You have your own pad.
He's done.
Why? What's wrong with your iPad? This is it.
Ay, alam
Hindi daw siya inantay ni Zach na gawin nila.
Get away.
You did wait.
Yeah. Can you
Saka hindi tama yung gano'n na nananakit siya kapag hindi niya pwedeng gawin yung tinamuti mo ikaw ginagawa mo sa inyo.
not waiting?
No.
Come here.
That's not how it works.
No, kasi I have a solution. How about we uninstall Minecraft?
No, I don't want you to hold your pad na. No more pad.
I didn't. So no one will get ano.
Oh, how about you
No one
give,
will have a...
how about I'll buy your pad? You give it to me.
Uy!
I'll give you money, I'll buy your pad.
Don't buy my pad.
Come here, my love.
Don't buy my iPad.
Okay.
Lala, just give me it.
Who gave you your pad? I'll talk to the one who gave you your pad. Your lolo? Ay, your lola ah. I'll talk to your lola, Marta. You want? Ha? I will not say bad things, only good. I will tell her, no more pad, Lala, that's good.
Oh, then you choose.
Come here.
I want to talk to you. I'm having a hard time looking at you. You're there.
Hindi po.
You stand up here.
Hindi, ang tulog niya kasi
You don't
kahapon.
remember me?
Itong oras.
Why you keep walking away from me? I'm just trying to make a conversation.
Ang gabi.
I just said that
So parang nag-knock siya.
layo.
Nabulong sa
Talking to you
kwarto.
about uninstalling Minecraft.
Natulog ulit kami. 4 a.m. Kaya pwede
4 a.m.?
4 a.m. to 12 noon.
Dapat gano'n matulog ninyo.